Hello guys, we are in the series of Express Yourself, Mixed Media and Art Journaling for Beginners. So we are going to talk about Distress ink. This is a product of Tim Holt for Ranger ink, and this is like a basic you have to have if you want to be Mixed Media and Art Journaling world. So they are ink stamps, but with the characteristic that they are water soluble. So this is an interesting effect that you can get. For the moment, we are going to use them normal, just stamping. And of course, I did it on reverse. And then we are going to use a spray bottle of water to create like a watercolor effect. So you will see in a minute. So this is super interesting for backgrounds because it allows you to create very interesting layering and effects. So the other way around, you can first put some water on the paper. You can see now that it's not moving too much once it's stamped and dry. But if you stamp on top of water, you see that it's creating this watercolor effect. So we can also stamp as normal and then use another color with some water and use them as a watercolor, let's say, which I think it's super interesting. You see, you add even more water on the brush, and you can certainly paint as a watercolor. So here is the first video when where I am explaining some techniques, but there's gonna be a second video where we are going to actually do an art journal page with the Distress inks. And here, which I found super interesting, is that you can use it as a watercolor by adding some water. And it's giving you an interesting layer. Of course, you can mix colors, so it's super interesting. And then we can use them also with stencils. So here is another application of them. So I am using this tool, which is specifically for stamping. But you can use also makeup sponges or the specific tool that Tim Holt has for this. But I use this one. It's very simple tool, but super effective for this application. And now I am putting some water first, and with the remaining ink, I'm getting this watercolor effect. So here you can start layering, and even the reverse of stamping with the stencil. So I hope you like it. I see you in the next video, and see you next time, guys. Bye.